Hello, I am Brother Dustin, a lay Dominican missionary in the Philippines, and I am also serving you in the ministry of outer servers. Let me share you 5 objectives. First of all, let us live our baptismal promises. We are being reminded that what we are always wearing is something white. It reminds us as baptized Christians of our baptismal garment which symbolizes our Christian dignity. Second, be a brother to all. That's the reason why we join in order to teach, to learn, and to grow with brothers. Jesus Christ, as true brother for all, is our model to be followed through his life and examples. Without him, we can do nothing. Third, be humble in your service to the Lord. We are being reminded that we are servants and not kings. We are servants who are ready to serve and not to be served. Fourth, love your vocation. If we really serve the church, we must be aware of God's call to us. Let us open our hearts and accept what He made us for the common good of our church community. Fifth, always live a life of prayer. Let us see God in ourselves and be holy as you accept discipline in the church. Let us be educated with lessons on liturgy, catechism, and scriptures. Finally, my brothers, every ministry of outer servers must have a Sunday regular schedule so that you can form and immerse your members in the spiritual, human, pastoral, and academic formation with some planned activities suitable to this so that your members may apply and understand the 5 objectives that I have given you as according to the best of my insights for your ministry. With prayers, I wish you good luck and keep it up, guys.